Feeling a bit lost or swamped with the idea of taking supplements? Your physician can assist in determining the ideal mix. In our fast-paced world, we encounter a flood of information offering to enhance our well-being with dietary supplements. It's not uncommon for some individuals to witness positive changes, while others may not. Here, we'll explore a selection of supplements that can amplify the benefits of a nutritious diet and regular exercise for your invaluable heart. Stay tuned with us. Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are considered one of the most crucial nutrients for heart health. They are known to have several beneficial effects, including reducing triglycerides, decreasing inflammation, and potentially preventing irregular heartbeats. Research suggests that regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods or supplements can lower the risk of heart attack and stroke. The American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week as part of a heart-healthy diet. Number 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is another nutrient that has garnered attention for its potential role in heart health. Adequate vitamin D levels are crucial for maintaining strong bones and overall health, and some research has suggested a link between vitamin D deficiency and an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin D may help regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve endothelial function, which is vital for healthy blood vessels. However, the relationship between vitamin D and heart health is complex, and more studies are needed to establish a clear cause and effect relationship. Number 3. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is a lesser-known nutrient that plays an important role in heart health. This vitamin is involved in regulating the way calcium is distributed in the body, ensuring that it goes to the right places, like bones, and not to the arteries. By helping to prevent the buildup of calcium in arterial walls, vitamin K2 may reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. You can find vitamin K2 in foods like leafy greens, cheese, and natto, a fermented soybean product. However, it's worth noting that vitamin K2 deficiency is relatively rare, and more research is needed to fully understand its impact on heart health. Number 2. B vitamins. The B vitamin complex, which includes vitamins like B6, B12, and folic acid, B9, is essential for maintaining healthy levels of homocysteine in the body. Elevated homocysteine levels have been associated with an increased risk of heart disease, as high homocysteine can damage the inner lining of arteries and promote blood clot formation. B vitamins help convert homocysteine into other beneficial compounds, reducing its harmful effects. A diet rich in foods like leafy greens, legumes, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the necessary B vitamins. Number 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is primarily renowned for its immune-boosting properties, but it also has potential benefits for heart health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium, from oxidative damage. By maintaining endothelial health, vitamin C may contribute to proper blood vessel function and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the gradual buildup of plaque in arteries, a major contributor to heart disease. You can incorporate vitamin C into your diet by consuming fruits and vegetables like oranges, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. While vitamin C is an essential nutrient for overall health, it's just one component of a heart-healthy diet and lifestyle. Heart attacks can affect a wide range of individuals, but there are certain risk factors that can increase the likelihood of experiencing a heart attack. These risk factors can be categorized into 2 main groups: modifiable and non-modifiable. Non-modifiable risk factors, factors you can't control. Age. The risk of a heart attack increases with age, with older individuals being more susceptible. Gender: men tend to have a higher risk of heart attacks, although the risk for women increases after menopause. Family history: if you have a family history of heart disease or heart attacks, your risk may be higher. Modifiable risk factors: factors you can control or manage. High blood pressure, hypertension is a significant risk factor for heart disease. High cholesterol, elevated levels of LDL, bad cholesterol can contribute to atherosclerosis and increase the risk of a heart attack. Smoking, tobacco use is a major risk factor for heart disease and heart attacks. Diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Obesity, being overweight or obese increases the risk of heart disease. Physical inactivity, a sedentary lifestyle can contribute to heart disease. Unhealthy diet, consuming a diet high in saturated and trans fats, salt, and low in fruits and vegetables can increase heart attack risk. Stress, chronic stress can contribute to heart disease. Excessive alcohol consumption, drinking too much alcohol can lead to heart problems. It's important to note that many people who experience heart attacks have multiple risk factors, and the risk increases with the number of risk factors present. Reducing modifiable risk factors through lifestyle changes, medication, and medical management can significantly lower your risk of a heart attack. Regular exercise is a crucial component of heart attack prevention as it provides a range of benefits for heart health. It strengthens the heart, reduces blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, helps manage weight, regulates blood sugar, lowers inflammation, enhances endothelial function, reduces stress, and strengthens the immune system. By engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of heart attacks. As we conclude our journey through the world of heart health and supplements, remember that maintaining a strong and healthy heart is a lifelong commitment. Your doctor can be your trusted partner in navigating this path. We hope the information shared in this video empowers you to make informed choices about your heart's well-being. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please do so in the comments below. Here's to your heart's good health, and we'll see you in the next video.